Hello students, I am Mohammad Rizwan. Today we are going to see mode. As we've discussed earlier that the arithmetic mean is one form of representative value or measure of the central tendency of a group of data. Depending upon the data and its purpose, other measures of central tendency may be used. Consider the example of a sale details of different sizes of footwear in a shop for a week. The shopkeeper has to replenish his stock at the end of the week. Suppose we find the arithmetic mean of the footwear sold. Mean is equal to 20 plus 35 plus 16 plus 65 plus 32 plus 25 plus 10 by the total number of footwear sets sold, which is 7, which is equal to, after addition we get 203 by 7. After cancelling we get 29 is the mean. The average number of footwear is 29. This means the shopkeeper must get 29 pairs of footwear in each size. Will it be wise to decide like this? It has to be observed that the maximum purchase falls on footwear of size 8 inches. So, the shopkeeper has to get more number of footwears of size 8 inches. Hence, arithmetic mean does not suit this purpose. Here, we need another type of representative value of data called mode. Mode is the value of the data which occurs the maximum number of times. Let us now study the topic of mode in detail. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know learning outcomes. To understand the concept of the mode. To solve problems involving mode. Keywords from this lesson: data, arrange, maximum, mode, observation, set, value, and large data. Children, let us consider a situation. A shopkeeper analyzes his sales data of ready-made shirts to plan for the stock according to the demand. The sale details of the shirts are given below. Here, he observes that there is an equal demand for shirts in sizes 30 and 34. Now, this data has two modes as there are two maximum occurrences, namely 30 and 34. He stocks more shirts of these two sizes. Note that this data has two modes and it is known as bimodal data. Try these. Find the mode of the following data 2, 6, 5, 3, 0, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5 and 2. Solution. Arranging the numbers in ascending order, we get 0, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6. Since 2 and 3 occurs a maximum of 3 times, so the mode of this data is 2 and 3. Find the mode of the following data set: 3, 12, 15, 3, 4, 12, 11, 3, 12, 9, 19. Solution. Arranging the given data in ascending order: 3, 3, 3, 4, 9, 11, 12, 12, 12, 15, 19. Data 3 and 12 occur a maximum of 3 times. So the mode of this data is 3 and 12. Find the mode of even numbers within 20. Solution. Even numbers within 20 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. There is no mode for this data. Example. Find the mode of the given set of numbers 5, 7, 10, 12, 4, 5, 3, 10, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 5, 12, 16, 20, 5. Solution. Arranging the numbers in ascending order without leaving any value, we get 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9, 10, 10, 10, 12, 12, 16, 20. The mode of this data is 5 because it occurs more times than the other values. Note: to find the mode, arranging the raw data in ascending order is not mandatory. It helps us to ensure that every value is considered for the calculation of mode and helps in identifying the mode value easily. Example: the marks obtained by 11 students of a class in a test are 23, 2, 15, 38, 21, 19, 23, 23, 26, 34 and 23. Find the mode of the marks. Solution. Arranging the given marks in ascending order, we get 2, 15, 19, 21, 23, 23, 23, 23, 26, 34, 38. Clearly, 23 occurs the maximum number of times, hence the mode of marks is 23. Example: find the mode of the following data at 123, 132, 145, 176, 180, 120. Solution. From the above data, we can see that there is no repetition of values in the given data. Each observation occurs only once, so there is no mode. Note: when each of the observations has occurred only once, then there is no mode for the data. Mode of large data. When the size of the data is large, it is not easy to identify the value which occurs the maximum number of times. In that case, we can group the data by using tally marks and then find the mode. Consider the example to find the mode of the number of goals scored by a football team in 25 matches. The goal scored is 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 5, 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 0, 1. To find the mode of this data, the number of goal scores starting from 0 and ending with a maximum of 6 is represented in the form of a table. So the number of goals we take from the data first is 0. So 0, the tally mark for 0 is 1. So the frequency range is 1. Next, from the data, we pick out 1. The tally mark for 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the tally mark for the number of goals scored 1 is 4. So the frequency range is 4. Next, we have 2. From the data, the number of times 2 appearing is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. So the tally mark is 7. And frequency is 7. In the same way, we have 3, which is occurring 1, 2, 3, 4 are the number of times. Tally mark is 4. Frequency is 4. Next, we have the number of goals scored 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the tally mark is 5. Frequency is 5. The number of times 5 occurring is 1 and 2. So the tally mark is 2. Frequency is 2. And last, we have 6. The tally mark for 6 is 1 and 2. The tally mark is 2 and the frequency is 2. From the table, we observe that the highest frequency is 7, which corresponds to the number of goals, that is 2. Hence, the mode is 2. Example: find the mode of the following data: 14, 15, 12, 14, 16, 15, 17, 13, 16, 16, 15, 12, 16, 15, 13, 14, 15, 13, 15, 17, 15, 14, 18, 12, 14, 15, 16, 15, 16, 13 and 12. Solution: we tabulate the data as follows. The whole data ranges from 12 to 18. Let's write down the given observation in the table. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. From the given data, the number of times 12 occurring is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 is the tally mark. Frequency is 4. In the same way, we have 13 from the data occurring once, twice, thrice and 4. So 4 is the tally mark. Frequency is 4. 14 is occurring once, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is the tally mark. Frequency is 5. For 15, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So So tally mark is 9. And the frequency is 9. Next, we have 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, the tally mark would be 6. So, the frequency is 6. In the same way, for 17 we have 1, 2 and that's it. So, the tally mark is 2 and the frequency is 2. And lastly, we have 18, 1. So, 1 is the tally mark. Frequency is 1. 19, we do not have any data. So, frequency is 0. The highest frequency is 9, which corresponds to the value 15. Hence, the mode of this data is 15. Points to remember. Mode is the value of the data which occurs the maximum number of times. Arranging the raw data in ascending order is not mandatory. It helps us to ensure that every value is considered for the calculation of mode and helps in identifying the mode value easily. When each of the observations has occurred only once, then there is no mode for the data. When the size of the data is large, it is not easy to identify the value which occurs the maximum number of times. In that case, we can group the data by using tally marks and then find the mode. Thank you for watching.